Queen Anne house architecture, characteristics and style. Dear friends, if you've ever been strolling through town and spotted a home that looks a bit like a castle, there's a chance it's a Queen Anne style house. These homes were made popular during the Victorian era and can still be spotted today. Queen Anne Victorian homes were built during the latter part of Queen Victoria's reign, from 1870 to 1910. A Queen Anne style house is a magnificent expression of color, surface textures, and gingerbread-like features. If this is exactly what you envisioned, then a Queen Anne home is right out of your dreams. No two Queen Anne homes are the same, but there are some common features in each. 1. Asymmetrical facade. These houses are often asymmetrical, and a typical home will be 2 or more stories high. An uneven front is one of the most distinguishable characteristics of a Queen Anne home. 2. Irregular roof shapes. Usually, the roofs are steeply pitched and have a combination of hipped and gabled roofing along with forward-facing gables. After the 1900s, however, the roofs had a much shallower slope. This addition gave the home a castle-like feel. 3. Patterned shingles. A single band of shingles known as a belt course was popular, but it wasn't uncommon to see layers upon layers of different shaped shingles stacked on top of each other, much like a crowned necklace. 4. Towers and turrets. Round, octagonal, and polygon tower shapes are included to draw the eye upward. Often, architects used cones and bell shapes as well. 5. Wraparound porches and balconies. Depending on the type of porch, they mostly go from the front and around one side of the house. They can be decorated with friezes or spindle work. A second-story balcony is unique to this type of home and was made more popular in America for entertaining purposes. 6. Eclectic windows. Windows come in different shapes, patterns, sizes, colors, and styles. A Palladian, 3-part window is also common in a Queen Anne home. 7. Combined textures. Wall textures included wooden shingles in various designs, fish scales, and tiles made out of terracotta. 8. Bright colors. Reds, blues, and yellows adorned these houses' exteriors, mixed with dramatic contrasts. While large homes were the most lavish, smaller versions of these were called Queen Anne cottages. Characteristics of these cottages were very similar but smaller, one-story framed versions built for rural areas. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.